Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 400 degrees Celsius. Wash your bell peppers and place them on a baking tray lined with baking paper. Next, we'll roast in the oven for 40 minutes. Allow your peppers to cool down and begin to slice them into little slivers, peeling the skin off of each piece. Transfer your sliced and peeled peppers into a glass dish with a lid. Add sea salt, olive oil, optional clove of garlic, and squeeze a lemon on the top. Now you're ready to marinate. Marinate it in the fridge for several hours before serving, or marinate overnight. It's delicious on meat, fish, or salad, but you can also eat it on the side, just as is.